Ssc Cgl Tier 1, paper number 48, question numbers 1 onwards. Now in this reasoning section, now question number 1, any answer to this? Now first we need to compare the first two letters. D and J, what is the difference between these two? Plus 6. J and P, again plus 6. P and V, plus 6. Again V plus 6. V plus 6, 22 plus 6 is 28. Now 28th letter is B. Now B is the first letter. First letter is differed with plus 6. And again last letter is 25 and 19 minus 6. 19 and 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. First letter is A. Now B and A must be the term, that is choice 3. Then coming to the numbers here, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81 into 3, 243 into 3, 729. Hence question number 1, choice 3. Then the second one, there are some 6 friends U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They are sitting in a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all the persons are facing towards north. Y and Z are sitting at the center. Y and Z are sitting at the center. If Y is here, Z will be here. Or in the second case, Y and Z can be like this. Z at the third place, Y at the fourth place. Y and Z are sitting at the center. U and V are sitting at the ends. If U is here, V will be here. Or if U is here, V will be here. And U and V. And again, V and U and V. And U and V are at the ends. W is sitting to the immediate left of you. As W is to the immediate left of you, U cannot be here. V is here. And U is here. W will be at this place. And who is the other person who have? X is the person left over. Now X is here. And U is to the immediate left, W is to the immediate left of you, W and U, and here X, and this would be V. Then who is sitting to the immediate right of V? V immediate right X, here also V immediate right X. And so what is your answer? Choice 4, question number 2. Then the third one, some women are athletes. Now some women are athletes can be written like this, woman and an athlete. No athlete is a singer, no intersection between athlete and a singer. And all these singers are what? All these singers are dancers. Then with the help of this one, no dancer is an athlete. That is false. No dancer is an athlete is true or false. Now as of now it is definitely true. Dancer is here, athlete is here, no intersection between these two as of now. Some singers are women. Singer is here, woman is here, no intersection. Some women are dancers, woman is here, dancer is here, that is again false. And so out of these three, only the first conclusion is true, and the first one is a negative conclusion. And to make this one false, I need to draw some dancers are athletes. But some dancers are athletes, and by doing so, some dancers are athletes is true. No dance is an athlete is false. At the same time, in this diagram, now, these two conclusions are true. Now, some singers are women, that is also false. And some women and dancers, it is also false. And so what is your answer finally? None of the given conclusions is true. Choice 4, question number 3. Clear? The next one, fourth one. Now in this question number 4, they are based on alphabetical order. Now in this alphabetical order, tell me what is the first element that comes. And logical and meaningful order. Logical and meaningful order, filling in application form, and bank account open, submitting necessary documents, and account closing, and finally depositing and withdrawing the money. Then tell me what is your answer here. First we need to fill up the application form. And once you have filled the application form, then you need to submit the necessary documents to them. And once you have submitted the necessary documents, then bank account will be opened. 132. And once 132, then account will be closed or depositing and withdrawing money. And depositing and withdrawing money 4, 5 followed by 4. And 132, 5, 4, choice 2, question number 4. Then fifth one. Now which two symbols we need to interchange? Now the symbols that are to be interchanged here, plus and minus. Now if you interchange these two plus and minus, 525 and next, and this is plus 435 and divided by how much? Divided by 29 into 15 minus 310. minus 310. Then tell me what is the value of this. Now 435 divided by 29. How many times it goes? 15 times. Now 15. Now 515 into 15 is how much? 225. 525 plus 225, 750. Now from 750 if you subtract 310, what is the resultant we have? 440. Now 440 we are getting this one by interchanging plus and minus. Question number 5, choice 1. Then sixth one, how is L related to K? Now in all these C, the relations are from C to D only, isn't it? Then K plus S. That means C plus D, C is the brother of D. K plus S means K is the brother of S. Now this K is the brother of S. S division. S is the son of U. Now this S is the son of whom? S is the son of U. And U into L. U is the husband of L. U and L are married couple. U is a male, L is a female. And L minus. L is the daughter of Z. Now this L is the daughter of Z. L is the daughter of Z. Then how is L related to K? Now K's mother. Mother, that is choice 2, question number 6. Then seventh one. Now in this question number 7. Chesara seventh one. Now the code given to the word birth. And what is the code given to this word birth is here? 25. And next one 12. And this is 9. And next one 7 and 19. Yes, what is the value here? Now, B and 25. B is opposite letter Y. Y's value is 25. And R's opposite. T is opposite, H opposite. But as for I, its opposite letter is R raval. But whereas here 12 is given. Hence, if it is vowel, now plus 3 to the vowel. Vowel ke plus 3. And for consonants, opposite letter place value. And similarly, how is the word glory coded in this? Glory. Now the value of O is 15 plus 3, 18. And for Z, what is the value here? 20. L, 15. R, 9. Y, it is 2. 20, 15, 8. 20, 15, 8. 20, 15, 18, 9 and 2, choice 4. Question number 7, choice 4. Then 8th one, Jesara? Now 12. 288 can be written as 12 into 24 or 12 and 12 square into 2, 2n square. N and 2n square. Now what is n here? 12. 12 square is 144 into 2, 288. And similarly 16. 16 square, 256. 2 into 256. 512, choice 3. Now this is other form, n and 2n square. 512, choice 3, question number 8. Then next 9th one. Now in this question number 9, 17C. Now 8 denotes addition. Now this is plus. And next one. And B stands for multiplication. And C subtraction. Isn't it? And finally D denotes division. D is division. And then coming to this one, 17 minus 12 plus 6 into 4 divided by how much? Divided by 8 plus 15 divided by 5. Then what is the value of this? Now 6 into 4 is how much? 24. 24 divided by 8, the value is 3. And 15 divided by 5, the value is 3. Now here 17 minus 12 plus 3 into 3. 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23. 23 minus 12, 11. 11, choice 2. Question number 9, choice 2. Then 10th one, there is a family of 6 members. And out of which there are 2 married couples. Means how many persons got married? And 4 persons got married and 2 are unmarried. And C is the daughter of U. Now this C is the daughter of U. And this U has 2 children. U has 2 children, one is C and one more child is there. And U is the mother of B. Now this U is the mother of B means U is the mother of B and C. And B is the husband of Z. Now B is the husband of Z, B and Z got married, Z is a female. Y is the husband of C. Now this Y is the husband of C, isn't it? Y is the husband of C. And Y has no siblings. And how is Y related to U? Now U's daughter's husband. Daughter's husband, son-in-law. Son-in-law, that is choice 1, question number 10. Son-in-law choice 1. The next one, 11th one. 11 chesara. Now out of 500 colleges, how many colleges are there? 500, that is mu total set is 500. And out of which 40% are teaching English. Now 40% out of this one is how much? And 200 teaches English, isn't it? And 200 teaches English, 40 are English and 80 are mathematics. 80 means how much is that? 400 are mathematics. English 200 and mathematics is 400. And if all of them either teach English or mathematics, that means now n equals to 0, isn't it? That means all these 500 must belongs to one of these three categories. They teach either English or mathematics. And who are teaching only mathematics or English or maths, then the number of colleges who teach only mathematics is how much more than who are teaching only English. Now we need to find out this one. First we need to find out both. Both allows this is x, this must be 200 minus x, and here this is 400 minus x. Now if you add all these three, it must be equal to the total, that is 500. Now 200 minus x plus x and plus 400 minus x must be equal to how much? Total 500. And out of which x and x will get cancelled, and 600 minus x equals to 500, and x equals to how much? X equals to 100. Now if x equals to 100, 200 minus x, this is 100, and 400 minus x, this is 300. Now the difference between 100 and 300, how much is that? 200. Now the difference between the colleges which are teaching only English and only mathematics. Only English is 100, only mathematics is 300, then the difference between these two is 200, choice 2. Then question number 12. Ma 12th one chesara? Now in this 12, 9, 7, 28. 9, if you check out the numbers are increasing and decreasing. And at the same time, how many numbers are there? All together there are 9 numbers. The series itself is a longer series, isn't it? Now 9, 28, 65, 126 can be written as, 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1, and 6 cube plus 1, that is 217. Every alternate number starting with the first number can be expressed as n cube plus 1. And the remaining number 7, n cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, and so on. Then alternate numbers starting with the first number are n cube plus 1, and the remaining numbers are n cube minus 1. Question number 12. Then 13th one. Now 13 chestara? Now tell me how many elements are there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, and 15, and next 18, 20. As all together we have 25. 25 only, like 24. 24 were there. Now 24 were there. Now if you check out here, M, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now dento start avuthundi cheppandi. Now fourth మనం తీసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 24 can be written as 4 into 6. అంతే కదా? Now first let is M in all this, and M is here, M is here, M is here. M and LL, M and LL, M and LL, M and LL. Sirpenda? Then what are the terms that are missing out? L, M, N, N, M, M, L. L, M, N, N, M, M, L. Am I Japan answer? Choice 3, question number 13. Then 14th one, Arun walks towards north for 30 meters. A is the starting point. From here, this Arun walks how many meters? 30 meters. And moves left and walks how many meters? 40 meters. Again turns left and walks how many meters? 30 meters. And again he finally turns left and walks for 50 meters. From here 50 meters towards his left hand side. That is, this is 40 and this is 10. A is the starting point, B is the final. How far is Arun from the starting point? Yes, what is the distance between these two? 10 meters. 10, that is choice for question number 14. 14, choice 5. Then 15th one. Now there are some 6 students who are seated around a circular table facing towards the center. Now these are the 6 people. They are seated around a circular table facing towards the center. P is to the immediate left of K and P must be like this. And A is an immediate neighbor of both P and B. A is an immediate neighbor of both P and V. M is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. M is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. Saripenda? Then, who is sitting to the immediate left of V? Immediate left of V, that is N, choice 3, question number 15. Then 16th one, in a certain code language, another. The answer is called and so on. Then who practices law? Tell me the one who practices law is called a liar. Now liar is called singer. Singer is answer choice 4. Then 17. There are some 7 friends P, Q, R, S, T, X and Y. They are seated in a straight line facing north 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And R and Y are not sitting at any one of the extremes. P is exactly at the middle position. And only X is between Y and S. Only X is in between Y and S. X is in between Y and S. Q is thought to the right of P. And Q is thought to the right of P. 1, 2, 3, Q is here. Q is thought to the right of P. P is sitting to the immediate left of T. P is to the immediate left of T. Then only X is in between Y and S. X is in between Y and S. Y cannot be at the extreme end. X is in between Y and S. Then who are sitting at the extreme left end? Now who is at the extreme left end? Yes. Yes, that is choice 3, 17. The next 18th one. Some students are clever. No, some students are clever. And all students are honest. And some clever are students. Definitely చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? Some clever are students. This is intersection between clever is here, student is here. And some honest are students. Honest. All students are honest. That means some honest are students is also true. And third one, some clever are honest. Now clever and honest, this is the intersection between these two. And so what is your answer? All follow. All that is given in choice 2, question number 18. 18th one, choice 2. Then 19. Now select the option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in a dictionary order. My dictionary order, what is your order here? Now first one, C-E-R-E. C-E-R-E-B. Hence 2 comes first. Next one, 4. Now 2, 4. Now 2 and 4 given in which choice? Choice 3. 2, 4, choice 3. Then 20th. Now in this question number 20th. Now tell me, am I in an answer? Now 14. Now 14 is here. Now 14 into 7 is so much? 98. And 14 minus 13 is so much? 1. 98 minus 1 is 97. And 12 is here. Now 12 into 7, 84. Minus the difference between these two is so much? 12 and 11 difference, minus 1. That is 83. Then 23 into how much? 23 into 7. How much is 23 into 7? 161. Minus the difference between these two is so much? 7. 161 minus 7. And 154. 154, that is choice 3. First number into 7. And the difference between the next two numbers is subtracted. And this is about question number 20. Then 21st. Machesara 21. Now in this 21, now following hexagon stands for librarians. Hexagon stands for what? Librarians. And these are librarians. Square, taxpayers, and circle, painters. And the numbers given in the different segments are represented by the categories. How many librarians are neither taxpayers nor painters? My librarians outu taxpayers undakodu and painters undakodu. That means circle and square should not be present in this. Ante kada? And close this one. Now if you close this one, tell me what is left over? 15. 15 is your answer choice. Then next one, 22nd. Now in this 22. My 22nd chapter. Now this square. Now square, if you observe here, now square is moving towards left hand side. One side in the clockwise and size increase. Next one side decreases, side increases, next side decreases. Now smaller square must be at this place. and a smaller square at this place, then 2 is ruled out. Then again 4 is also ruled out, because in 4 also we are having smaller, bigger square. Another 2 and 4 were ruled out. Then coming back to the remaining. Then this rhombus, if you update here, one side in the clockwise, bigger and smaller. Next again one side smaller, next bigger, square must be at this place. Now bigger square and smaller square. And so what is your answer here? My Japan answer. Choice 3. Choice 3, question number 22nd. Then 23. My 23 Japal. Now which pair of letters will not be opposite or not? Now tell me which are opposite here. M and P are opposite, alternate elements. K and L are opposite, alternate. O and N are opposite. Then now L and O are the opposite, they are not opposite. M and P opposite, K and L opposite, N and O opposite. Which is not opposite? L and O, choice 1. Every alternate elements are always opposite to each other. Then 24. Now in this question number 24. And first tell me how many elements we need to have. My n elements undali cheppandi. Now here 5 elements should become 10. 10 will become 20. And each of these elements must be repeated for 4 times. Kanaka, what is your answer here? Ikkada arrow undi, daniki opposite arrow undali. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, and then in this one 20. Hence, what is your answer here? Choice 4. Then, my main దీంతో చూసుకోండి. ఇది మళ్ళీ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు సేమ్ రావాలి. అండ్ ఆపోజిట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు షేడింగ్ ఏమో కిందకు వస్తుంది, అన్షేడెడ్ విల్ బి అట్ ద టాప్, షేడింగ్ విల్ బి అట్ ద బాటమ్. ఈ రెండు ఒకలా ఉండాలి, లేవు. ఈ రెండు ఒకలా లేవు, అవునా కదా? అండ్ hence what is your answer here? Now in this, both these two elements are in the same pattern. Then 24, choice 4. Then coming to this 25. Now it is a mirror image. And tell me what is the mirror image to this one? Ma idaithe water image avutundi. And this is the mirror image. Now this cannot be the water image, isn't it? Hence, between these two. Now if you check out 2. Ma 2 ela undali cheppandi, 2 cannot be like this. It is a water image. What is your answer? Choice 2, question number 25. Clear? Now this is about paper number 48.